Alright, let's do it. Rainbow Mountain, 2,500 foot down to the base. Let's look for the shortest, fastest route down. Some beautiful lines on this mountain and just so many different paths you can take to get down there. Love this section right in here. Just it's probably the most beautiful part of the face of this mountain. Gonna take this little lower line right down here. Got a column coming up right here. I need to swerve around to the left of that. Yeah, that's pretty close. And another line right here that brings me down to the base of the mountain. Could have got a little lower, but I'm lined up with where I'm stationed out there, so I'm not going to disconnect right in here. Next time I'll try to get a little lower. That was a fun flight though.